Hi all, this is very simple and short video which is based on the collaboration between the Python technical analysis and the vectorbt libraries, models, and first of all we need to install vectorbt, and I'm using the Google collaborations. In this connection you can see that this is code for exactly for the notebook for for Google collaborations. Plus that we need to pipe install pandas TA, and maybe it was the most difficult part of this coding. So we're importing pandas as PD, import pandas TA as TA, and import vectorbt as vbt. And after that we are making the data frame, which is based on the pandas data frame, and we will use the pandas TA library for building this data frame, and it will be built on the for the last 10 years period and the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. After that we are building also cumulative cum log ret 1. It's a cumulative logarithmical return from the beginning, from the starting date to the end date. So we can see that during this time the industrial average has risen 83%. After that we are using such an as for me very useful functions, building functions in the Python TA library, which is called T-signals. It's very easy to build a trading system because you can see that this methodology and this that function, internal function, will build you the buying and selling signals for your trading system, and you can choose what you need to which way it must be shown in your data frame. If you will choose true, this will be a bold. If you will choose false, it will be figures. I prefer false, because it's much more easy to use it later for the ML methods and so on. And after that we need only to do we will use vectorbt library, and we will find pf and vectorbt library point portfolio point from underscore final signals. And after that we're building it on the data frame close price and tries. It will be the signal for the TS and tries from the previous part of our code, and exit signal is TS exist. Frequency is days, initial cache 100,000, fees 0.0025, and sleep page 0.0025. And after that we can show some graphs which are highly useful and highly informative. And first of all, it's orders, it's a close price, and the signals of the buy signal is the green up triangle, and the red down triangle is the sell signal. And after that we have the, you see that here we have 100% of income, 100% of deals, winning deals, and it's hugely interesting because that suddenly I understand that it's just the that some the overfitting, but from another side it's that's showing us that mostly it's quite interesting to trade, because that building trading system is when the close price is when exponential moving average based on this 200 days higher than the same moving average for 50 days. And in this connection, it's the counter trading system, and in this case, it seems that it's even in such the upward trend for more than approximately two times during the 10 years. We can see that counter trading system is given better performance because they are using these sell-offs. And we can see that most profitable deals were received, and most profit was received from the sell-off periods on the in the history of Dow Jones Industrial Average. And we can also see here the cumulative return, and we see that the cumulative return on the given period 167 to 2027 benchmark. And certainly the report, the stats, the usual total stats that is necessary for the backtesting of the trading systems. So I hope that this video will be useful for you. Profit factor, yeah, very interesting situation, infinity. So the profit factor, usually even the profit factor 2 is very good for for any trading methodology, for any trading system, but here we see that infinity, a huge result. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope to see you on my channel. Have a good trading, have a good life, have a good day. Bye bye.